Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI memory and context effectively in 2026. So if you want Claude to remember instructions within a conversation and give more accurate, consistent answers, yeah, this guide will help you understand how it actually works. First, you need to understand context. Context simply means everything Claude remembers inside your current conversation, like your instructions, previous messages, and ongoing topic. Now start with a clear and focused prompt. So if you begin with structured instructions, Claude can follow your goals more accurately throughout the entire chat. One important tip is keeping related tasks in the same conversation. I mean, if you're working on writing, coding, or research, don't mix unrelated topics in different chats. You can also refer back to earlier parts of the conversation. Yeah, Claude uses that context to give more accurate and personalized responses without needing to repeat everything. If you want Claude to follow a specific rule, repeat or reinforce it during the conversation. This helps keep the output consistent, especially in long tasks like writing or coding. Sometimes context can get too long or messy. So yeah, starting a new chat helps reset memory and gives you a clean workspace for new tasks. And that's how to use Claude AI memory and context effectively in 2026. Once you understand how context works and how to manage your conversations, you'll get much more accurate and reliable results. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more AI productivity tutorials and tips. Hey,